is this place called? The Crustacean Restaurant. Hurry it up.
Take your sweet time, huh?
Gonna be the other Crustacean Restaurant. I have one of those.
Oh wow. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, it's colored in, that's why.
I hope it works.
This thing's so cool. Let's hope. How high does this go?
Not very high.
It says 6 up there.
Here we are.
It says 6 on the. None of those numbers work.
Okay.
Excuse me, Tyler.
Nope, sorry. This thing is really small.
It smells like seafood.
Yep, it's a seafood restaurant.
You'd think they cook the food in the elevator by how this thing smells.
Here, decompress it. This thing is very warm now.
I love the ceiling on this. Oh.
The cab is really cool. Whoa. Very slow
Call it down.
What kind of button?
Same. Traditional. There's a restaurant.
The door is all like mangled.
Where? Oh
No,
yeah.
no, watch. No, don't play with that. Watch when it closes. Wow. And over in that, right there, there's an abandoned ThyssenKrupp.
Yeah. There's a bug on the
Please push
awning.
the door open button the moment the elevator reaches the floor. I guess it gets stuck.
Sorry. How's it going? Oh, look at this thing. Oh, whoa.
Really cool elevator. In-ground nitro.
That's it.